Northwest is not holding back when it comes to her mom's culinary efforts, calling out Kim Kardashian for not cooking dinner in nearly 2 years. In a candid interview with Interview magazine, the 11-year-old playfully revealed that the last meal Kardashian made was 2 Halloweens ago. With North's cheeky remarks making headlines, fans are getting an inside look at the family dynamics as the Kardashian kids poke fun at their mom's reliance on private chefs. During the interview, Kim Kardashian posed the question, "How is my cooking?" To which North didn't hesitate to respond honestly. She reminded her famous mom that the last time she cooked was for a special Halloween dinner, featuring mac and cheese, fried chicken, and cornbread. While Kim admitted that she's a one-trick pony in the kitchen, North graciously confirmed that the meal was good. However, when it comes to day-to-day meals, it seems that cucumbers with salt are more in line with Kardashian's culinary expertise. North humorously shared that cucumbers, salt, and onions would be her food of choice if she could only eat one thing for the rest of her life, a comment that had Kim playfully reflecting on her daughter's love for grilled onions. This isn't the first time the Kardashian kids have commented on their mom's lack of cooking. Earlier in 2023, Kim's younger daughter, Chicago, hilariously filled out a school assignment claiming that her mom doesn't cook and instead relies on a chef. The lighthearted jab was shared by Kim herself on Instagram, along with a photo of her slicing tomatoes for a grilled cheese sandwich during a visit to the White House, proving that while Kim may not be a culinary wizard, she doesn't shy away from laughing at herself. For the Kardashian family, having a private chef is hardly a secret. Chef Christian Oy, known as Chef K, has catered to the family for years, providing insight into their preferred meals and holiday traditions. While Kim's kitchen may not be bustling with her own cooking, the glamorous family meals are always in good hands. From playful banter between mother and daughter to public displays of humor, the Kardashians continue to share intimate and humorous moments that resonate with their fans. Kim's playful approach to her lack of cooking skills keeps the tone lighthearted, showing that she doesn't take herself too seriously. Fans can continue to enjoy these candid family moments, which add another layer of relatability to the often glamorous and high-profile Kardashian life.